Hello everyone, this is Innovative from Market Warehouse. In last video we have learned how to import these stocks in TradingView, and now I am in TradingView. I have imported all the stocks I have created. I have created two watch list. First is Super 45 and Good 45. Okay, you can also create this watch list and add these stocks as I have added in the watch list. This is my Super 45 stocks in which I am going to add one technique and another technique that I am going to use in Good 45 stocks. So let's see how to create the technique in Super 45 stocks. Okay, for that the technique name is, I will tell you what is the technique name. The technique name is Knox Divergence. Okay, and I will add some parameter in that, and I will show you how it will act. Okay, fine. For that, I need to click here. I need to click on indicator. Okay. After clicking on the indicator, I will type Knox, Knox, Knox. Here, the first one is raw Booker Knox Relay Divergence. I will click here. Once I will click on this, it will automatically add it over here. See, now I'll go to setting. I will create some setting over here, and I will show you how this will work. Backward I will keep 200. We work on. Oh yeah, here. Okay, I will keep 200. Okay, and RSI I will keep 14. Okay, and momentum period I will keep 20. So this is my setting. I will show you with backtest how beautifully this technique or indicator work. Okay, on these 45 stocks. For example, I have taken a boat. I will zoom. Okay, I have zoomed it. Okay, now according to this technique, the bottom one, wherever the bottom will form, see, it will automatically give where to buy and where to sell. Okay, and when you have to buy, you can just check at 3 o'clock every day, and once you see this signal, see here, once you see the buy signal at that day. Okay, once you see the buy signal like this on that day, you can just buy on that day or the next day, or even if you are at your home. Okay, in night when you are looking for the stocks, or if you are searching, if you see this buy signal on the very next day, if you see such buy signals. Okay, this is a buy signal. The bottom one is buy signal. Whatever you can see in the bottom, these are buy signal. This one is buy signal. Okay, and the top one is sell signal. So at home, whenever you study this 45 stock chart, and when you see this bottom signal, you just understand it's a buy signal, and the very next day you need to buy it. Okay, so this is as simple as a one class student can also able to understand that one. Okay. So I will show you some backtest. Suppose this is the buy signal. I have seen today in evening, like in night, I have seen the buy signal, and tomorrow I just went and buy this stocks. Okay, once I buy this stock, when I have entered in the stock, now I bought it at 1700 around, and where I'm selling, when I'm selling around 2000. Okay, so you can see this signal is working so beautifully. Here also it's buy signal. I'm buying here at around 1500, and I'm selling here at 2000. So you need to wait. Okay, and all the stocks are super good stocks. You don't need to worry even if it's fall. For example, if I bought here, the stocks is falling, I will hold. I will just hold. I don't will panic. Okay, and definitely once it will give buy signal, definitely the signal will be good. If I bought it at 17, I will sell it at 2000. So you can, it's not this one also. I will show you some other example, or I will show you in all that stocks. You can apply it in all the stocks, and you can check it by your own also. Okay, let me just graph. Here also you can see the same thing. Okay, here buy, sell here. Here buy, this is the buy signal. You can check today, and you can buy it tomorrow. See, and sell. This is the same thing at the top. Buy signal, sell signal. See the accuracy. Suppose if you buy here, it will fall down. No worry. The stocks are great stock. Don't worry. Buy here. If it fall, no worry. We will sell at sale signal only. Okay. Suppose uh, here, if you got any buy signal in the past, suppose. No buy signal here. So see, here is buy signal, here is buy signal, I will bought here. Wherever the buy signal I will bought, I will just hold, and the sell signal is here. Okay, so in this way I will buy according to the signal, and I will sell according to the signal. You don't need to worry, you don't need to panic, just hold and relax. Okay, you will make unlimited money. This is Ajko Noble. I can show you all that for 5 stocks. Okay, Asian Paint. In Asian Paint also, see how beautiful it is given buy signal, sell, buy, sell, buy signal. Again it is given buy signal. You can buy it here. Okay, definitely after some time it will give sell signal. See, here we have buy signal. We can buy it and hold it for a long time. See, Axis Bank, Maximum also. This is buy signal. Okay, and we have sell it somewhere here. So it's all about signal. I hope you understand this one. And this concept will all work in all the 45 stocks. You can check it by your own. Okay. And this is the first technique in which you can make unlimited money. Okay, this is the buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. Wherever the buy signal is there, if you bought it, just hold it. Definitely it will give you good money. Okay, in no time. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. I hope you like the first technique. And soon in second video, in next video, we will discuss about the